Now let's create rectangles here. So you click on rectangular tool or F6. You can click and drag to make a rectangle like that. I'll make another rectangle here like that. Okay. So now I'll put a fill on it, and there. I'll put a fill on this one too. To click and get a fill. Now there's a really neat feature in CorelDRAW wherein, let's say for example this rectangle here, you want to have radius corners, all four radius corners. I'll just click on my shape tool or F10 and I click and drag this going inside. And you notice this one does automatically make those four rounded corners. Okay. So I can do the same thing with this one. I click on that and then click on radius corner, F10, shape tool, and I can actually maximize this until it makes like a button like that. So you can do it that way too. Now let's do an experiment here. Let's make it really short like that, and then click on shape tool and then move this over there. See, it stops here wherein this can be a good shape for a button like that. Okay, now I'll give you a situation wherein, okay, let's say I want to make this lessen the width of this one. See, if I click on this and I go like this, did you notice something? This one is not as good as the first one. Control Z to undo. See, that's the first one. Okay, and if I'll shrink it like that, the rounded corners doesn't look good anymore. So now, how would we shrink the width so that this won't change? Okay, so here's what you do. So you click on your object with the rounded corners already, and click on arrange. Click on convert to curves. Mean to say we want to make that as an object wherein we can change the shape. So click on convert to curves, and then go to your shape tool, and then just choose these four nodes here and bring this to the right side. I mean to the left side, or you can use your arrow keys going to the left side. Okay, I'm using my arrow keys right now in your keyboard, or you can click and then go in. But while you're doing that, make sure to hold down control so that it will constrain your movements and make it straight. There. So that's a better radius now.